This is clear skin. So I got result and I'm hoping that you will definitely get result. Hello fam, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka Khuman and I hope you all are safe. So today I'm back with another video and this time it is a beauty hack for everyone. A lot of people have asked me on IG and also in person about my skin tone and how I take care of my skin. Well, it is a natural skin tone first of all, but like others, I too had pimple problems, acne problems, and I know it pimps out till the exact time when you have to go out or wanna have attend a family function, right? So it gets real irritative, and that forces us to find out the quickest remedies to never get it back. So about my skincare, I never use any artificial product on my face because I believe in natural remedies that doesn't harm my skin, and also natural things has many benefits. They are easily available at home and completely safe to use on your skin because it doesn't have any side effects and definitely worth a shot. Here are my total natural remedies that I use for healthy and clear skin. Today I will share you 5 natural remedies for pimple-free skin or acne problems. Before we start, I just want to say that sometimes some remedies don't work quickly because we all have different type of skin and it heals differently for all of us. So all you need here is a little bit of patience and you will definitely find result. So hold on and let's start with first remedy. So our first remedy is honey and lemon paste. Take 1 lemon and cut it into half. Now take honey. Here I am using pure honey that has been extracted from honeycomb. You can use any honey product, it doesn't matter. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey as per your requirement. And squeeze 2 to 3 drops of lemon into it. Make a very good paste and apply it over your face. Keep for at least 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it with the cold water. Here's one tip, never use hot water to wash your face as it harms the skin. So always use cold water or moderate water. Benefits of lemon and honey mask is that it hydrates the skin, clears acne. It works as a gentle cleansing agent which dries out pimples, reduces redness and instantly soothes the irritation. It brightens the skin and also it evens out the skin tone. Now the second remedy is turmeric and honey face mask. Take 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. And add 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey into it. The benefits of turmeric is that it contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components. This characteristics provides glow and luster to the skin. Turmeric brings the natural glow to the skin and hence it is often used for skincare. And about the honey, it is one of the nature's most revered skin remedies. Honey has antibacterial and antiseptic abilities that benefits oily and acne-prone skin. Honey is also natural humectant, so it helps keep the skin moist. This is because of the humectants that draws moisture from the skin with replacing it. Make a good paste as shown in the video and apply it over your face for at least 10 minutes and then wash it with the cold water. Later you can use moisturizer if you have dry skin. If the paste is much thicker, then you can also add raw milk into it. The benefits of turmeric and honey face mask is that it is good for hyperpigmentation. Its anti-inflammatory properties helps to reduce the appearance of scarring. It calms the redness, brightens the skin and helps to fight the acne. Third remedy is aloe vera, one of the most common remedy for skincare and highly effective. Take aloe vera leaves, cut it into half and also cut from side and rub it gently over your face for 5 minutes and leave it till it dries up. Later, wash your face with cold water. You can also apply aloe vera before going to bed. Rub the gel on the pimple and leave it overnight. Do this for 3 to 4 days. Aloe vera gel can also be stored. Take aloe vera gel from the aloe vera leaves and fill it into the airtight container and store it in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Frozen aloe vera gel can be stored in the freezer for up to 6 months. Aloe vera has multiple benefits. It helps soothe the sunburn. It has cooling properties and it is anti-inflammatory. It helps to moisturize the skin. It heals wounds. It fights aging. It reduces acne and blemishes. It brightens the dark circles. It depuffs the skin. It can be treated for eczema and psoriasis. It can be used for dry as well as oily skin. The fourth remedy is toothpaste. When I first heard about toothpaste can be used as a remedy for pimple, I was little shocked, but after trying and getting result, it is in my list since then. Take any toothpaste and rub it over the pimple and wash it after 10 minutes. Benefits of this remedy is that toothpaste has drying effects on pimples which helps to reduce the redness and inflammation, and also it has antibacterial properties that kills acne causing bacteria. Fifth remedy is green tea face scrub. Take a green tea bag, boil it in water and wait till it cools down. Now the cooled down drained tea is ready as a face scrub. Apply this face scrub gently all over and then rotate in clockwise motion until you have scrubbed your skin clean. Later wash it off. Green tea has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties which can help to reduce skin inflammation, redness and swelling, and it is highly recommended for acne treatment. You can use any natural green tea. So I hope my video was helpful, and if you guys try my remedies, please let me know in the comment section because I'm eagerly waiting for a response. And also I will be doing question and answer 2021 on my Instagram page. So if you have any questions, you can ask me over there. I will mention my Instagram ID in the description box. You can find me there. And thank you so much for watching my videos. Be safe and keep watching. Thank you.